Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me today in this wonderful music production course, also referred to as music technology. My name is Pablo Malco from Developing Dreams Foundation. I won't bore you with the info, but the link is down below. You can go to our website and learn more about what we do there. Right now, what I'm going to do is give you a complete and thorough basic beginning music production course. This class should get you from not knowing anything at all, from being very comfortable arranging and producing music on this program or any other DAW in which you may choose to use. We're going to be using LMMS today because it's a free program, and I think it's perfect for learning the ins and outs of pretty much all music production programs. So I'm going to start with this, and somewhere in the course I'll show you a few of the other competitors, but most of them are paid programs. There are a few that are free, but I like this one because of its flexibility. It always comes down to personal choice. There is a few that are better than the others, and they are obviously more costly, but you can get the same results if you know what you're doing on pretty much any program. LMMS is for Mac, PC, and Linksys. I don't think they have it for the iPhone or Android phone just yet, but if you're using a computer, this is a great program to learn, and this is a great course to get you on your way. So thank you so very much, and please enjoy the course.